Hey, afternoon everyone. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Um, as you know, every day is a blessing. Every day, we're not guaranteed. And I just this video is going to have some little things in life, like some of the things that are cherishable and just amazing. So today's video is going to be a little bit, a look at my life. Some of the things that I've gotten to do, enjoy time with my family, and, just be me. I get to do a lot of things that a lot of people don't, and I know that. Some people envy me because of it, and I don't say envy. I think that, one day they're gonna be able to go out and do that stuff. And there's many YouTubers that I am. Lunkers TV, Demolitia, Matt Carricker. I envy a lot of things that they do, but you know what? Everybody's life is different, and we all have our own unique personalities. And we all get to do our own fun things in life. So, I hope that every day you live life like it's your last. Enjoy it. Do things today that will make tomorrow better. Live life like no other, so later in life you can live and give truly like no other. So today's video, just enjoy a little bit of what I'm showing you. And I know I've been blessed to be able to do many of the things that I've gotten to do, so enjoy. So yeah, I know how blessed I am, and I have a lovely, wonderful life. I have an amazing family. My family, my mom, my sisters, they're all amazing. I mean, they've done numerous things for me that a lot of people don't have. So, yeah, we're all going to wish that we had more. I do cherish what I have every day, and I love it. So, I hope that you will take this kind of video, which is very unique, and I hope it brightens your day up. I hope that you just have a blessed day. I challenge you to go out and do what you think you can't do. Go out and be that person that you want to be. Go out, do the things that you want to do. Because we only live once. And many opportunities, they come, they also go. So if you're handed an opportunity that you think that is just what you want to do, then do it. And if you think that you don't have the opportunity, you're wrong. Because maybe that opportunity just hasn't come yet. So maybe you just work your way up to what you want to do. You may be stuck in a job that you absolutely despise, but some of the opportunities that you're doing at that job will open doors to many other things that you can do. Maybe you're out there and, like my sister, she grooms dogs for a living, and she is one of the better, best, and I absolutely adore her. She does many things for a lot of people that, she don't have to, but she does it anyways. She absolutely loves what she does, but she hates the job. One day, what she's doing right now will lead into the future, and she will have many opportunities that she'll own her own salon. She'll have all these different dogs that I wouldn't want, but she's doing a lot of things that many others, and I look up to her. I look up to my mom, and I look up to my other two sisters. They're my role models growing up. So, just like that, everybody has opportunities. And it probably just has not shown up yet. And I appreciate every last one of you who do follow me, who watches my videos. And I encourage you to share some of the stuff that I do with others. Because just like a lot of people say, I get to do many things that others do not. So, take this opportunity and go out and be better than you were today. So, thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.